Okay, so in this video, what I want to show you how to do is to create a sketch for your package design. So what I've done is I have taken the label off this little jar of tomato paste carefully. It was a little difficult to get off of here. But anyway, what this will do is it'll give me the basic size of this label so I can sketch it out. I'm going to trace right around it like this. And it also is going to give me the areas where the important information is. So I can kind of just give myself some indication. Now this is the back area of the label. This is on the back as well. So your main information, the stuff that's going to grab people as they're looking at this is right in this area. So that's where you want to put the name, you want to put whatever imagery, you want to really think about the colors of the whole thing. Because this is really one composition, it goes together. But as I say, right in here is your important area, all right? So do a couple of sketches. You can use this size for a variety of items. It doesn't have to be a can. It could be like a canister of cocoa powder, or it could be honey, or it could be whatever. So you could use this as kind of a template to design your product. So I don't want you to copy something. I want it to be an original, unique idea of yours. If you're interested in makeup, it could be dry, shampoo for your hair. It could be face lotion. It could be an energy drink. It could be soda. It could be any kind of product that you're interested in that might fit in a container like this, okay? Or any container that you find around your house. All right, so that's one idea, a label. All right, so you're going to sketch it out. You're going to use the original label off of something, and then you're going to be sketching out your original idea. So this is a label that would wrap around like a cylinder. All right, this is another idea. This is a really fun idea because you're going to be creating a box. So I'm going to take the soap out, okay? And I'm going to open this up all the way. And then I'm going to find where it is pieced together or glued together. Here, I'm going to carefully take it apart. All right. So now what I have is something I can outline. All right. So I'm just going to go right around here. I'm doing this quickly. You can do it a little bit more, neatly while you're doing it. Do a couple of these. Okay, I'm just going to show you one right now. But now I have an area laid out where I can create all the graphics, all the information for whatever it is that's going to fit inside of this box. Now this came in like a multi-pack, there was like 8 bars of soap, so there's nothing written here. Usually there would be, but you can draw the lines here so that these are different areas, okay? You can be as creative as you want. Now notice how this is running to the side here. So I'm just gonna write something like Sarah's Beauty Bar, maybe that's what I want to do, okay? So it's running sideways, and then I can put whatever graphics I want on here, okay? It's gonna be a face, or, I like this like a cucumber scent, or maybe it's lemon, whatever it is you're gonna put here. This is the creative part, all right? This is where you're thinking about stuff. Now, you might have something on here. It might be the name again. And then on the back, you have more room for design. This one doesn't really have anything, but since this is a project where you're creating something unique and, fully rendered, this sample doesn't give you a whole lot of information. So you might want to make it a little more going on in your box than this one, okay? You can even probably turn it over if you wanted to do a sketch right on there like this. But what we're going to attempt to do in the project is create all of these dimensions in Photoshop and create your design right on there so that we can print these out and actually make a box out of them. Same with the jar, you know, I want to print these out and actually wrap it around something, okay? So that's the idea. So you're sketching, you're finding the product, you're seeing if you can take apart that box or label, okay? If you don't have anything around, then you can just kind of guesstimate something and just do it, you know, without having a template. But if you do have a template, I think it's going to make it easier. So please email me your questions about this as you're getting started to do it. All right, good luck.